Leftover crack sealant can be saved and reused effectively with the right sealing and storage steps. Crack sealant stored properly retains workability and saves money on future repairs. Start by removing as much air as possible from the container. Then seal the opening with a tight-fitting plastic cap or screw to prevent oxidation and skinning. For tubes, insert a nail or a small wooden dowel through the nozzle and then cover with a cap or wrap tightly with plastic wrap before screwing on the original cap, which helps block air contact inside the tip. Store any sealed container upright, so the opening is at the top to reduce leakage and to keep the sealant away from the cap surface. Keep containers in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and freezing temperatures, because heat speeds, chemical breakdown, and cold can make some formulations brittle. Label the container with the date of first opening and the type of sealant so you know what to use and how old it is. 3 common mistakes reduce the chance of successful reuse. 1 is inadequate sealing, which lets air cure the product into a skin or hard mass. Fix this by using both an inner plug and an outer cap, or by transferring the remaining material into a smaller, airtight container to minimize trapped air. Another is poor temperature storage that causes separation or crystallization. Store at a stable, cool indoor temperature and bring the container to room temperature before use to restore consistency. Finally, keeping old or contaminated applicators in the container leads to spoilage and compromised performance. Avoid dipping dirty tools back in, and if contamination occurs, filter the sealant through a fine mesh into a clean container before storing. We at bighomeprojects.com connect homeowners with local contractors and provide resources specific to material conservation, like storing sealants. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help each other find work in projects.